In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a presentation in mobile device, okay, using the WPS Office. So this is my icon. This is my icon WPS Office. Just click on WPS Office. Then after you have to click on this plus button. Now here three options are there. W for the document, P for the presentation. Okay, so you have to select P for the presentation. So just click on this P option. Now you have to create a blank presentation, this plus button. Now this particular thing, it is called a slide. In the slide there are two placeholders. Here written double tap to add title and double tap to add subtitle. So this dotted box where we will write the text, where we will write our information. So this is called as placeholder. Here we have to type the things. Okay. So this is the first slide. Slide is the page only. Okay. Just like Word, there is one file, one page, document page. Hana? In Excel, there is a spreadsheet where you will type the numbers and characters, everything, data. And here it is what? There is one slide. In this slide we have to write the information. Okay, so just I have to click here, double click here, then my cursor bit is coming. Okay, so let me make presentation on Office. Okay, then I will write here, double tap subtitle, that is called as, so it is, I can write here, presented by Jay Bhagwani. Okay, so in this way I have designed my first slide. Then after, all the options are available here when you click. Okay, this side, just down side you can see. Okay, here written in the downside the options are there. Okay, here the tab is there first, then slide, picture, text box, and when you scroll, shape is also there. So here you have to click. Okay, here the 4 different type of shape it is there. Just click here. Now what I have to do, if you want new slide, okay, so here the option is there, slide, you can insert the new slide. Okay, and here there are some tabs are there, insert, file, play, transition. Okay, so I have to first take one good design for it. So just click on design. So which background color you want? So here is the background color. Which background color? Just see it suits you. Okay, suppose I like this one. Okay, these 3 dots are there. If you want to choose other colors also, okay, so you can check it. So after choosing the background color, you can apply to all the slides. So here the option is there, apply to all the slides. So whatever the slides you will insert, this particular background color will come by default. Okay, so now let us see. Just click on this here small arrow, so you will get the first slide designed. Now if you want to insert the new slide, there is a plus button. So which type of slide you want? Okay, so here there is so many slides are there. Suppose I want this picture and title. So here is the picture and title. Okay, so here now double click to write it. So I want to write about WPS Office. Then double click on the subtitle. I am writing here, this app is used for creating documents, presentations, and spreadsheet. Okay, in this way I have written the WPS Office information. Now if you want to add the picture in it, so double click, so your device will open. Now any photo suppose you want to insert, let me insert this photo, or any photo I can insert, right? Okay, let me insert this only. Okay, so in this way you can insert photographs also. for your presentation. Okay, now if you want to any design, just go to again this options, design, which color, in this way you can do it. Okay, so it is already applied to all. The next thing what you have to do after designing your slides, okay, just like I have designed this first one, then this second one, if you want to insert more, then click on plus button. Now again it is asking which type of you want. Okay, so let me insert blank one. Okay, so this is my blank slide. Let me give the color you are giving every time. Design, suppose any color, this green. Okay, that's it. Then after I want to insert some shapes here. Okay, so here it is shape option. So there are so many shapes are given. Just you have to click the shape and you can use it. In this way I have designed some shapes, right? In this way, fine. After that what you have to do, if you want to write, then there is a keyboard. Here is the keyboard if you want to write anything, just like presentation. Here if you want to write, just double click, it is coming. Okay, if you want to increase the writing, you can use it. Bold, you can also do it. See, it is coming now, bold. See, bold option is the color, you can also choose here. Okay, suppose I have just done the orange color. Now I am writing here, so here I am increase the size and bold option also. Okay, so here I am giving now a spreadsheet in this way. Okay, right? So in this way you can do everything in mobile also, whatever you are doing in computer. So in this way you can create your presentation in mobile device. If you don't have computer, at least you can practice it in the mobile device. So the next thing, I have created here 3 slides. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 slides I have created. Now I will give the animation. Okay, so just click on this again, the applications button, this here. Now there is option called play. So let us do, there are some options. Okay, current slide, play, first page, autoplay. I am just doing the autoplay. So this presentation automatically it is coming. See, you can see now. So in this way the presentation will start, right? It is repeating when once completed. So in this presentation there is no animation, and PowerPoint beauty is what? Presentation software actually it gives you the tools that is used to give the animations. Okay, so now we will start the animating the particular slides. Okay, so let us see. Let me, now when you click here so the options is coming. Let me off this one. Okay, so in this way we can off it, right? So let me give my own animation here. Just click on the first slide. Again go this 4 boxes it is given in the first. Now here it is transitions. Okay, so there is some transition you can see here, means some effects are given. Okay, now just like glitter, now you can see how the slides is coming. Dissolve, checkboard, switch. Okay, so whatever you like, just like doors. So if you like this one particular things, then you can use it. So many animations are there. Whatever you like, you can select it. Okay, so here is the option. So I have done this particular switch. Let's see for the second also. Again go this box, transitions, glitter suppose. Okay, in this way. Now you can play also. If you want to play the current page, you can see here again the presentation. Now with the effect it is coming, right? Now the effect is coming. In this slide it is not coming because I have given only in the second slide, right? Now see, this is our slide, right? So using here transition we can use that one. Now let us save this file Just click on file, save option. Now here you have to give your file name. Let me give my presentation. Save. And this pptx you can also open in computer also, this file. Okay, so this is the basic information that I have given for making the presentation in the mobile device. Okay, thank you.